today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer to enable cheats and gameplay enhancements in Avatar Frontiers of Pandora on PC. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under File, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon, double click on the trainer and select Yes option. And now launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm going to turn on infinite health, energy, ammos, no reload, super accuracy, and super damage, one hit kills. Once you turn on the cheats you like to use, get back to the game. And I'll show you guys infinite ammo, it's working, as you can see. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.